Hi everyone. This is this this like the creator of the WNU project here. You may know me from the town named by Stigman's wife, official, and all all the other stuff. Well, well, uh, surprise, surprise. Oh no, I'm the one that made the WNU project. So here we have the WICC project with WPY plus. So, hold on, let me first search. There we go. Here, Alice is official. So, GitHub repository. Here, here we have the Python series roadmap, which I am planning on. Uh, and here, here you know, uh, there's no current issues right now, but if you have any issues with the binaries or stuff like that, uh, you can go to over to the issues tab and type it and click right. Hold on, let me go. New issue and the title. No, that's going to say example. And example here. And click create. But I'm not actually going to make it because I don't want to delete it after I make this. So if we go over to the interpilers folder, here we got a readme file for WPY plus, the Python plus interpiler for WICC. See, also, so if you want to know what WICC stands for, look at the description. It says WNU, you interpret and compile your corruption official repository. So I am going to highlight the name, the full name, and the one that's highlighted in the blue is what WICC means and the full name. And as you can see, it's licensed under the GBL 3.0 license. And there's a lot of it. But in summary, it means that this project is free. But when you make a remake of it, you must have this license available. Make it because the goal is to make it free for everyone. Yes, everyone. And this is one of my goals here. And just like accents here. Yeah, and don't worry about the rapping. That's just my sisters and friends. Yes, I am very young, and I'm not gonna tell you my age. My sister's gonna tell you it. So I am going to look at one of the files for the WPY plus interpiler. So we got the arguments here. Now, that's help, that's person. But then here it says otherwise tweet argv1 as a file name. It took me a long time for this to work. So let me just clear this. So I have a PowerShell script on it which builds the project. So if I click this, it clears out everything and then builds it. And then once the exe to this file hello.py with the file extension for Python plus. And as you can see Here is the tokenizer print. And you see the AST built successfully, and it says in function main print hello world return success. Running function main hello world program return success. And here it says running help command, which runs this, which runs the exact same exe file, but with the dash help argument. And here we got why this. Why the one I highlighted is the output of the help command. And here what I highlight is the output of the version argument or command, you could say which is exactly like once the same exe file starts with the version the argument. You probably know that right now. So if we zoom in, oh okay, hold up. We zoom in right here. It says WICC WPY+.exe 1.0.0. Find the plus interpiler copyright C 2025 WNU project. License GBL V3 plus TBL version 3 or later. And here's the link to the TBL license, which is made by WNU. This is free software. You are free to change and redisprove it. There's no warranty to extend per minute by law. Well, yeah. I mean, that is why the version an argument of it. But now let's clear this and then run the executable or exe file, you can name it, and have it interpret hello.WICC. As you can see, first the WICC collects the tokens. And here we got the tokens here. The tokens are numbered. So if you see this random numbers here, it means a type of token. So if says parsing, see the parser will get the tokens and try to directly run it. As you can see, the AST built successfully, and here we got what is told to according to the code, and then here we got the output which says running function main hello world program return success. So if you want to take a closer look to this PIB file, that is definitely not my phone name. Hold up. Yeah, I mean, the one I tweeted is my phone name, but I had to tweet it. So you weirdos out there, don't try to look for me. Wait. So here we got the comics include PYPSDIO for printing, and here we got strats include PYPSDDO. If all the same program is out there, it may look similar to STDIO.h, but with PYP added, meaning Python plus. So you can see in function main, and if you take a closer look, you can see that the exact one which was included is used to print hello world. And here, this might be like familiar to your C programmers out there. They return success, which is the equivalent of return 0 in C. So, so, so what I'm trying to accomplish here is is, is to make Python done by programmer. With the one to learn C, and go to it quick, to a bridge, so I call it a bridge, so yeah. To Python plus, Python plus plus, Python short, and then read C. So it's just like the C programming language series, like C, C++ for C sharp, but its purpose was not to teach C programmers to go to another language. But each programming language in the C series have their own purpose. Meanwhile, for the Python series, is it tries to teach Python programmers to the C programming language. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and because I'm not popular, so I still try to look up on my phone name like please. Bye.